Hey guys, before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you guys don't miss any future episodes. Now, if you've been following my daily vlog, Russell and Ziggy Wake Up Early, you know that recently I've had issues with my GoPro videos, mainly loading them from the camera wirelessly onto my phone to edit and then onto YouTube, where I've been experiencing some sort of like clicking on the video during the audio kind of thing. It's really hard to explain, so if you want to check out recent videos, you can find some of those. But long story short, in the search for better audio and a solution to this problem, it has led me to a micro SD card reader, and I remember that GoPro made what's called the Quik key, and I actually picked one up. Now, this is the lightning connector version, which unfortunately was discontinued in January. So if you guys want to get your hands on the lightning connector version, I would get it now before they come off of shelves. They do still make the micro USB version and the USB-C version, I believe. But I am an Apple user, so I opted for the lightning connector. But yeah, definitely pick it up if you are an Apple user, because these are going to be gone. Anyways, let's get into this. This is an unboxing video. On the back it says, quickly remove content from your GoPro to your phone and then to your tablet and edit and share awesome videos with the Capture and Quik apps. Now, the way it works is you put the micro SD card into the reader, you plug it into your lightning port, and then you access it through the app, I think, and then you can edit it that way. So essentially it eliminates the need for a wireless transfer from your GoPro to your phone. I am currently recording on my GoPro Hero 7 Black, and hopefully this will work, because this not only is an unboxing video, but a test to see if it fixes my audio issue. So if the audio is crappy, that is why that this didn't work. My next option would be to contact GoPro and to find out what is going on. So it says includes Quik key, case, and carabiner. So be careful when using sharp objects, because there's always the potential to cut yourself. On the inside, it's going to look like that. And that is what it looks like. As you can see, it is white. It has the port for the micro SD card. It has a little light right there. Oh no, that is not a light. It's a little hole for a lanyard, which I don't think is included, so you might want to pick one of those up. The case is silicone, and it just apparently goes in like that, and then the case just fits around the reader itself, and then it comes with a little carabiner that attaches like so. So the portability factor is definitely really great. You can attach it to anything. I think I'm going to attach it to my GoPro case just to have it on hand. This is going to be a part 1 video, and then I'll do a part 2 actually using it and using the app. One reason is because I'm using my phone to monitor what I'm recording, so I don't have access to using this right now. But also I want to get the hang of using it before I record a video in that regard. So this is literally just an unboxing video, part 1 of 2, I believe. And then, yeah, one thing I do want to say is it feels really well built, but if you notice, the lightning connector doesn't really protrude that much, so you're going to have an issue with some cases not working, but that is true with a lot of peripherals, so you're just going to want to keep that in mind. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the GoPro Quik key, the lightning connector version. Definitely get your hands on this if you guys are Apple users. There are third-party manufacturers that make these, but I like keeping it all the same brand, so I opted for the GoPro version. I may pick another one up if I can get my hands on it if I like this, but hopefully this fixes my problems. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment in the comment section down below if you guys opted for the Lightning connector version, or if you would get the micro SD, micro USB, or USB-C versions of this. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.